Hello everyone. Welcome to iMobi support channel. Sometimes, you may not remember the passcode of iPhone, so it will be difficult to wipe the data and reset the iPhone. But please don't worry, in this video, we will demonstrate two methods to help you reset your device with and without the passcode. Here is your iPhone and please open your device settings. Then open the General and scroll down. Please click on Transfer and Reset iPhone option. Then please hit Reset option, and then please hit Reset All Settings option. Then it starts resetting your device. Here is the second method. Firstly, please download and open AnyFix on your computer. Then please connect your iPhone to computer and choose the Reset Device function. Entering the page, you can see there are two reset methods, Hard Reset and One-Click Reset. Please choose Hard Reset and click Reset Now button to reset your iPhone. Please download firmware or import firmware manually. After the download is complete, please click the Start Reset Device option. It will take some time to reset your device. Please wait patiently. Now you can set up your iPhone and enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video.